Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Execute Codes. Today in this video I am going to show how you can create a text-to-speech application using Notepad. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video.
And all I feel is blue.
So in the starting you saw an animated voice which was saying the intro which I used to say in my videos. So how you can make this, so I'm gonna tell in this video. So without wasting any time, so let's begin. So first what you need to do is you need to have a voice installed in your PC. It comes installed default, but if you don't have, then you can go and download it from the Microsoft server. So first what you need to do is you need to open your notepad, and in the notepad you need to type a following code which I will provide in the description also. So the code is about so it's a basic code which can be run through VBS. So it's a simple. So first we need to write this code. So dim message comma sapi. So sapi is the voice which I am going to do, and the message is the message which we want. So message is equals to InputBox, bots, and then we will have two brackets, and then brackets you can write anything like text to speech converter. It's basically a converter in which we are making this, and then we will add a plus sign here because we will be making two buttons here, OK and cancel. For this we will write the vbcrlf, and then we will add one more plus here, and you can just write your credits here. So here I will write from execute codes. Okay, and then here you need to give a comma, and then again you have to write the title of the file. So the title of the file you can write anything, like I will give the title as text to speech converter only. I'll just paste it here, text to speech converter. And then now we have to set the voice. So set sapi is equals to create object. So we need to create an object, sapi voice. So we create the object as sapi voice, is not small s, sapi dot voice, and then again we need to speak the message. So we can just simply write sapi dot speak, and then sapi dot speech message. So what we have done, let's revise again. So we have imported two things, message and sapi. Message is this, and this is the sapi which we have sent as CreateObject sapi.voice, and it will speak the message. So now we need to save this. So just press Ctrl+N on keyboard, or you can go to file and save it, and then you can give any name. I will give it as text to speech dot, and we need to change the save as type file as all files, and we need to give that text to speech as .vbs, and you can save anywhere. I will save in the desktop. So make sure you do it as all files, and you will save this. So as you can see, a file has been created here, text to speech. Now come, let's run this file. So you will see that text to speech converter, this is the title, this is a simple text, and from execute codes, here we have written a vbcrlf. So this is about two buttons, OK and cancel. This is something, error will come, so I will not fix that, but you can just run it. So we'll run now, and you can type anything here like thanks for watching the video, hope you So now come, let's run this, and it's giving some error that activate and create object sapi.voice. So let me see what's the problem here now. Not create object as sapi.voice. Okay. So I have got the error. It will be not be dot sapi.voice. It will be sp.voice. Sorry for that. So now let's save it again, and now come, let's run this again. So thanks for watching the video, and now come, let's run this again.
Thanks for
And
watching
as
the
you
video.
can see, it's working fine, and you can also write many paragraphs. Like for example, I will just copy this and just print this here. You just give the message sapi again. So just
Dim message.
as you can
Sapi.
see, I said everything. So don't forget to subscribe my channel also. If you like the video, then please like and also subscribe. And if you think that this video is useful, and you can also share to other people so who are interested in these types of tutorials. So this was a simple notepad tips and tricks. So thanks for watching my video, and till that we will meet in the next video. So till that, bye bye.
Subscribe my channel.
We'll be right back.